On this day of American Thanksgiving, we're supposed to make time for thanks, to actively think about that word that has become almost cliché in wellness circles, gratitude. But what is gratitude? Some people think of it as being thankful for all the good things you have in your life. Others see it as the act of acknowledging what people have done for you or what you appreciate about others. While the Stoics would have agreed that all this was important, they practiced a slightly different form of gratitude, one that was more inclusive, but a little bit counterintuitive for them. It wasn't just about being grateful for the good, but for all of life. Convince yourself that everything is the gift of the gods, was how Marcus Aurelius put it, that things are good and always will be. The first key word there is everything. The other key word is convince, meaning you have to tell yourself that it's all good, even the so-called bad stuff. Is it possible to be grateful for that 9-hour travel delay that has you sleeping on a bench in the airport? Is it possible to be grateful for your father's affair that tore your family apart and which now means you're celebrating to Thanksgivings in 2 houses because your parents can't be in the same room together, or that dark period you went through in college when your grades fell to pieces and you thought about killing yourself? It's not easy to be grateful for any of this, but it is possible. In the Discourses, Epictetus says, "It is easy to praise Providence for anything that may happen if you have to call it is." A complete view of what has actually happened in each instance and the sense of gratitude on the surface. Much of what we're upset about or wish hadn't occurred is so objectionable that gratitude seems impossible. But if we can zoom out for a more complete view, understanding and appreciation can emerge. First off, you're alive. That's the silver lining of every shitty situation and should not be forgotten. But second, everything that has happened and is happening is bringing you to where you are. It's contributing to the person you have become. And that's a good thing. This understanding, Epictetus says, helps you see the world in full color, in the color of gratitude. If you want to keep your Stoicism journey going, every single day at this computer, I write one Stoic-inspired email that I give away totally for free to people all over the world. There's no spam. Unsubscribe at any time, and you can sign up at daily. If you want to learn more about each of these, visit my channel where you'll find the more content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content.